All right, so this is super annoying, but when you log into NetDocs, you're seeing another law firm's NetDocs. I can kind of show it here where I'm seeing different repositories. There's my company, there's 3 other repositories. So this happens when someone shared documents from NetDocs using your work email address. That was the first time you logged into NetDocs, and your default cabinet is now that cabinet. So this is only an issue for those users, and if we send you an email about this, you're one of those users. So when you log into NetDocs for the first time, where it says your name, so hi, and then I'm Craig, so it says Craig, and then I'm going to come over here to account information, primary cabinet, and I get to choose. So I'm going to change the cabinet to my firm's primary cabinet. That's step 1. Okay, and then if you want to figure what your primary cabinet is, find your firm's name, and it's usually the first cabinet listed, something that says client. The next thing you want to do after you do that is we're going to come over to Outlook. All right, the next thing we're going to do is come over to Outlook, and this is end email. End email here has the wrong cabinet listed, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to choose the correct cabinet. And then I'm going to come over here, right click and close. So now I'm seeing the correct cabinet. Now, usually after this, I just recommend restarting your computer and everything usually works out really well. But that is how you change your default cabinet in the web interface and then in Outlook. So you're seeing the correct information.